All right, meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. This is the January 4th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. What an amazing winter storm across the region. This is a look at Wilmington early this morning. That is Highway 17, U.S. Highway 17, right around Market. 27 degrees, a blanket of snow on the ground. Let's take a look at the Greensboro DOT camera. You notice some snow lining parts of the roads there. That's I-40 at Elm, Eugene. Let's see if we can grab another camera. Well, that one's not working for us, but you get the idea. There's a look here at our Greensboro Tower camera looking down towards Spring Garden. A little bit of snow. And as you went further to the east and south, the snow amounts picked up. 17 in Greensboro. No snow of significance in Charlotte. There's the Dowd YMCA camera. Temperature early this morning at 22 degrees. There's your temperatures around the region. Cold and a fresh supply of Arctic air moving in. But here's the radar imagery through the day yesterday and into yesterday evening. What an amazing winter storm. All the way down to Florida, ice and snow. South and southeast and coastal Georgia, ice and snow. Central and eastern South Carolina, ice and snow. And then right on up into North Carolina. And this was the radar perspective there in North Carolina yesterday afternoon and into last night. As expected, it was really right until you got about Anson, Richmond, Union, Montgomery, Randolph, Alamance counties, and points east, where you had some snow that was enough to accumulate in some spots. And then the snow totals really ramped up as you went further to the east. And so here's just a look at the water vapor imagery. What an amazing system. You had a couple pieces of energy that merged, phased here, popped this big low pressure that's causing blizzard conditions in the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast today. So just a few select snow totals, and there was some ice as well near the coast, but these are just snow numbers. Hilton Head, 4.5 inches. Charleston, 5.3. Wilmington, 3.5 inches. Pinehurst, Central North Carolina, 6 inches. Sumter, South Carolina, 7 inches. Pretty amazing deal. All right, so the snow winding down now in eastern North Carolina, but still snowing as I cut the video here a little before 6 o'clock in the Outer Banks and up toward Elizabeth City. And the snow just really cranking now in parts of the Mid-Atlantic and up into the northeastern United States. You have blizzard warnings in effect in some areas. In fact, by the way, let me mention this. Winter weather advisory for places like Greensboro and Raleigh. No additional precipitation, but that is for black ice and slick spots on roads, and that winter weather advisory out all the way through daybreak Saturday. The red counties, the red shaded areas, those are blizzard warnings. Elizabeth City, Norfolk, Atlantic City, eastern Long Island, Boston, Portland, Maine, all included in those blizzard warnings. And this is additional snow from the European model. Purple shaded counties, or purple shaded areas rather, that's where an additional foot of snow from the previous run of the European model is likely. So this is a big time, big ticket winter storm. Now, as we've wrapped up the precipitation here in the central and western Carolinas, the story's cold air, a fresh supply, fresh shot of cold air diving in. So there goes the winter storm. That is exiting. Bitterly cold, dry Arctic air taking hold again. These are highs this afternoon. Some of these numbers may actually be too optimistic, but the bottom line is it's cold. It's blustery. Look at the winds here out of the northwest, 10 to 25 plus miles per hour with higher gusts. And so, for instance, in the Triad, wind chill values at their warmest in the teens this afternoon. Frigid night tonight. There'll be some single digits in the colder spots as we head on through tonight. And the cold air just sticks around. Friday, sunshine, but cold. There's your Friday high temperatures. Saturday, sunshine, but cold. There's your Saturday high temperatures. Sunday, not much warmer. And then the next system arrives. Still dry Sunday, but here comes the next wave of precipitation arriving Monday. And there may be enough residual cold air still around in the foothills and the Piedmont for a period of some sleet or freezing rain to start off Monday morning at least. We'll see. There's that next piece of energy rolling in on the European model. GFS is actually even a little bit more intense as it gets here down the road. Actually, that's, yeah, there you go. That's actually the end of next week, rather. That's the next system on the European down the road. This is the GFS for the Monday system. A little bit more intense with that southern piece of energy. The European model, there you go. This is daybreak Monday, Monday afternoon, and then Monday evening. You can see the foothills and the northwest Piedmont locked into the cold air enough to cause some potential icing. There's the Canadian model. This is daybreak Monday, Monday early afternoon, and then Monday evening. Same basic idea. So that'll be something to watch for Monday. Now, I do think a warmer pattern then settles in. We're going to thaw things out toward mid-January. So, no, a lot of folks kind of sick of the cold air, and you're going to have a nice chance to warm up. And, no, I don't think winter's over, but we will have at least a period of a thaw as we get toward mid-January. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay warm, and God bless.